Hey guys, it is time to take a look at the epic future of Samsung. And no, we're not going to be talking about the Galaxy S22 or the Samsung X AMD or the dead Note 21 Ultra. This is completely different from all that stuff. Enter Samsung's AR glasses. So we got two videos that are basically showing off what these glasses will be capable of in the future, of course. So this is titled as Samsung Glasses Lite, and pretty much we have this simple looking glasses. I'm not sure if I like the look of them, but they actually can do some crazy stuff. These glasses can connect to various devices and show off stuff in front of your eyes. For example, you can see this guy is playing games and it's all holographically displayed in front of his eyes. He then opens this YouTube video on his watch and is being played on the glasses, and he just chills and relaxes. It even transforms into a DeX mode. Samsung is calling it DeX display. No need for a monitor or anything, and of course you can also do video call. There's also a sunglasses mode which turn them into like normal glasses, and then it even connects to a drone showing off a new dimension display. All this is pretty exciting. In the near future, you'll be able to use glasses hand in hand with your various Samsung devices and have number of functions right before your eyes. Now we have another video that envisions the AR capability. So pretty much this guy is wearing these glasses and he's having a holographic call with these virtual people. Not just that, he's able to create an AR simulation of a house and they're talking about everything. And once he takes off those glasses, poof, everything is gone. This is Samsung's sneak peek of what could be offered by their future AR glasses. So a breath of fresh air, just like slidable, rollable, and foldable smartphones. This is also the future that we're going to be seeing pretty soon. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. In the month of March, we're going to see so many phones being announced, but before all of that, Huawei is about to announce their Mate X2 foldable phone. It's actually going to be announced today, and the most crazy thing about this foldable phone is that Huawei has figured out a way to completely get rid of that crease. A crease is something that we have seen on every single foldable phone, but somehow, according to the leaks right now, we have not seen the official product yet, but seems like Huawei has figured out the equation. As always, everything will be unveiled today. As for other devices, soon we're going to be seeing the launch of Xiaomi's Redmi K40 and K40 Pro. These devices are set to rock some flashy level specs, including an OLED display from Samsung with 120Hz refresh rate. Xiaomi is also gearing up to launch their Redmi Note 10 series officially on March 4th. And on that very same day, we're also going to be seeing the announcement for the Realme GT. It's going to be another Snapdragon 888 powered device coming also on the same date. So pretty exciting stuff is coming in the coming days. But let me know what you think about Samsung's epic future, which is of course other than their smartphone division. So yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.